This is Leetcode 151, reverse words in a string. So you are given a string and you are to return the reverse of it. You don't have to change any of the words. Just if this is the first word, it has to be the last word in your returned string. The other thing is that you have to remove any extra spaces at the beginning of the string or the end of the string, or if there's more than one space between words. So there's two challenges there. It's getting just one space between and then returning the right in the right order. So for this one, it's pretty straightforward. We could do a couple different things. We have this string and we could replace all of the spaces. So we could just say whenever we have a space, whenever we have a space that is more than one space, we're going to just make that one space there. And we could use our string builder to build our answer. So I'm just going to call that SB, and then I'm just going to make a new string builder. And now we'll have our array. So this can be an array of all the words in the given string. And we'll just say S, and we'll split it at the space. So now we have a new array. So we can go from the end of our array to the beginning of our array. So we'll say for int I equals array int I greater than or equal to 0, I minus, and we'll just say SB, and we're going to append whatever that array I is, and a space. And then at the end, we can just make our answer. It's going to be SB to string, and then we want to, we're going to trim that string before we return it. Answer equals answer trim, and then we're just going to return answer. Let's see if this, that's that, and let's see if this works for these other examples. That's okay. Let's try this one. Okay, so this trim function, this is going to just trim the extra spaces that are before or after the string. This replace all is taking anything that is two spaces and it's making it one space. And that is it.